Hey everyone, how you all doing? My name is Arpita Agrawal and welcome to my channel, Curious to Create. So today we are going to make frames, handmade frames. So for the first, I've taken two different color sheets and I'm writing Hakuna Matata over here. And I've taken two popsicle and made arrows using permanent marker and put them opposite to each other. For the next one, I've used white and a red color sheet and write love over it and stick a wool using Fevicol carefully. For the next one, I've used printed sheet over a purple color sheet and I'm writing yes you can using poster colors because we can. Now add little dots over here and there and it's done. For the next one, I need a white sheet over a black one and I'm drawing eyelashes over here. For the next one also I need a white sheet over black, pasting over it and then using poster color write queen on it. Add a crown because there's in the next frame I'm writing badass with a big heart. In this I've used a 3D heart. I've made this using wool and cardboard. It's very easy. I've shown in one of my previous videos. Do check them out. In this I've used two solid colors. One is orange and the other one is green. And draw them as shown and decide you. Make you decide. Next one I've used a rule sheet. I've made, you can use a rule sheet or you can even use draw lines using scale. And I've written dear me, I know you're scared but you can handle this. Don't give up, love me. It's kind of a little reminder and a letter to yourself. Add little strips, paper strips at the opposite end and it's done. For the next one I've made a green colored Christmas tree. I'm sticking it over a black paper and then you can write the quote over it. I'm writing every moment needs to be celebrated because Christmas is associated with celebration. And now add a glitter star over the top of the Christmas tree. And to complete the frame, add paper cuttings to make it more celebrate. That is not it. Okay. For the next one, you need a white and a purple sheet. For this also you need two paper strips. I'm writing the motto of my life, that is eat, sleep and craft. For the next one, I need a printed sheet and a black one. I'm using a stencil to write over it and a black marker. I've written fashion is a trend and style lives in a person, which is so true. And I've completed it with a paper flap. In this, take a cardboard and stick black sheet over it. And using poster color, I'm writing blue. Take a disposable cup and cut into half. Now paint it with brown poster color and add some detailing using white poster color. Take double-sided tape and stick it 2 or 3 centimeter above the bottom line. Take any kind of artificial flower and stick over that double-sided tape. Take another double-sided tape and stick it over it. Now stick that cup over using Fevicol and it's done. Next one, I need a white paper strip which is 1/3 of the length of the black one. Stick it in between the black sheet. Okay, so in the black version write with white poster color and in the white write with black poster color. In the next I've taken black and pink sheet and I've written dream big and decorated it with these beautiful stars. Moving on to the next, write don't quit and between 2 letters, that is double D, that is between small and big D, fill the Fevicol and spread it using paintbrush. Now spread paper cuttings over all the letters and let it dry. Now take very thin paper strips and stick it over Q, U and NT. That's it. Don't quit as well as do it. Moving on to the next and one of my favorite frame, that is Friends themed frame. I have made these using paper and colors. Okay, you can make them on different color sheets and stick them using double-sided tape over this black sheet. Demo popped up when you stick them on black colored sheet. It is up to you though. And it's done. I'll be there for you. Okay, for the next one you need a sponge. Dab, 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 dab. I use 2 colors. One is yellow and the other one is red. I have made these batches using the white thick sheet. Now take 2 paper strips and cut them into the ticks of the clock. Stick them in any way, the way you want. Now stick these patches too. And it's done. I bought a themed clock. For the next one, I have taken just a single printed sheet and I'm writing life. Sort of a definition of life which we often forget. So to remember this, I have written this: a gift we get once to live. This is so true. Now decorate it more. Add flowers and leaves and it's done. In this I've used 3 different colors and write it using poster color. Okay, this video will be continued and the second part of this video will be released on the next week. Bye bye.